Ebusuafo we be akwaba de by GCN page so Mesro now wa subscribe to my channel we are found some ya bell on so we be a notification and it's an news e de betu me obi be atie and also be be ahwe e wo GCN page ha meeting e de adwoa searching Berla Mundi journalist e wo Ghana hanom oye adwuma e wo TV3 amafo bebre e penasem she's very beautiful. Na same cry be na social media obi be ma comment say omo ka so onto na Japadi na no worry Berla Mundi a obe worry do Berla she is very nice girl she say ne dressing so or dress decent amafo be bre na same papa na Berla e de ensem bia betudwa ne nsem a okan na say 2022 yi everade no broken heart na adults yo enti no afede omo fall in love and access or fall in love or fall in love with the right person na broken heart no and baby o and some say na Berla Mundi e dey out to dwa na ye beka say sisi awiase na ye won ye hu emema na siye won danyo e na mba no so say emema na ye danyo ni atene say asam no kware ni say emba bi wo ho amukura komapa natural amukura komapa e be very difficult pass or baby wo ho no ma oni be ma e date na so mo ye koshipa obe fanechi obe faithful to the guy obe bibia the amano but asem no kwai wo me say bia na be ma no bia ona dwenda no wo pa no wo de wo ye dey wo na wa fa ni serious wo mfa wo nya hwe say wo kan plans ho kra say order kra order na oso dan na so hu wo sa oba ni wo ma obe bo pitiri ma so na wo de wo ye dey the same thing obe mbebi so aye faithful aye committed e de ama oba bi say nya asem keso akra oba no person o ware no nenso oba ne ho na o hwe no kwa asem so oba no so dai kra no hu be ma no obe bo pitiri wa sorry o mpe no but emani bi nso wo ho no a onye faithful nenso be ma ne pe no be ma ne bi nso wo a onye faithful nso oba ne pe no ewiase no relationship no I think say a lack obu ho kosia obi a osia no once ope no oye bibia ma no ope no odro no odwe ne ho chese bibia obu nso kosia obi a chese ompe no yensem bebre na me sure say Berla no obe wiase we date da an oba ho fe otisenya anko bia person why na I don't know why I say obe ma disappointing no me sure say obe ma disappointing ntina ode sa caption no aba na so ode sa ensem no aba betudwa na ensem say na Berla e kan and I quote or just say 2020 we are falling in love with the right person, no more broken hearts. Ya bro chale ya bre jesu amen na me ametie kura ma jesu amen ma jesu amen just say broken heart no emema ne de ba na de ba meti he me faithful pa beti me ye faithful e de ama be ma hwe faithful ye kan mo me faithful pa me aka say me jimi hu de me ka ho pa nenso be ma no ye faithful de ma no ono ye kokra na wo hwe na wo kana dwen ho kana dwen ho kra ono obo kra o ti ase aha ntini ye bompa ise nsem a Berla wake 2022 e de ye be fall in love with the right person ye be bompa ise yankopon e be locate yen o de yakọ yen fempade no nchen se de be ya bibia e be ye fine ntino Berla ne nsem o de asojo chese 2022 we are falling in love with the right people e wo 2022 e
And but I had really great bosses. Mr. Ayade was fantastic. Mr. Hammond, George Kwe, Apefa was at Charterhouse at that time as well. So they all encouraged me, and they helped me to understand the terrain I was getting into and how I would be able to rise the right way. So they helped, and it was
the pressures of the job. How do you deal with them?
I sleep. I sleep when it gets too tough. I mean, but I've always been a very persistent person, and so where people were seeing pressure, I was seeing opportunity. And so even if people were complaining, I mean, I'm human, of course, there were days I complained as well. But every time I went back, I just regroup and figure out a way to overcome the challenge and become better. Because for me, it had been a season of, transition. At every point in my career, I knew I had to move to another level. And so I had to work towards it. And how was I now going to become, a personality of substance? And that's what I was working towards. So it might have been challenging, but it was an opportunity for me to get
Congratulations, you
better.
backed
Thank
a
you.
master's degree in public relations.
Yes, I have. Yet to graduate, by the way. I should graduate end of this year.
You're done submitting your thesis and everything. You're cool.
Yeah.
GIJ is cool like that.
It is. It is. It is. I enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
Why that choice, though?
So public relations is more about, you know, learning how to position a brand in the minds of people and trying to get them to understand the direction of the brand.
Okay.
And I'm a brand. So I was looking at trying to better myself in that field so I can learn how to also help not just myself, but every brand that I work with to also better position themselves, get people to understand them. And so that's why I decided to do PR, because I knew that once you're a personality, you need to learn some of the, you know, the trade. You need to learn about the trade. So that's why I decided to go in there, and it's helped. I learned a lot of things I didn't know.
You didn't know?
Yes, it was very broad.
Dr. Kobe Mensah in the mix.
Unbelievable. But I'm grateful to my lecturers and my colleagues at GIJ. It was a tough one for me because I was juggling school and work at the same time. I was always late to class, and you know, everybody would make fun of it, but they helped. My colleagues really helped. So thank you so much.
GIJ is the best. It's yeah, you can never get it wrong. So if you're planning to go back to school or you're trying to go to school, go to GIJ. Yeah, forget all the others. Go to GIJ. Let's talk about awards.
Okay.
How many can we count in your cabinet these days?
I don't have too many. Why are you making it sound like I don't have too many? I just have a few. Okay. And for me, all those awards I won were just, you know, a reminder of where I had come from and where I was going. Because for me, I came from a broken place. Okay. I was a young woman who didn't understand myself. Okay. And I
what
felt...
do you mean you didn't understand
well,
yourself?
so I'm building it up. So when I was growing up, I sort of grew up broken because I came from a broken home. Okay. And so it made me feel like I wasn't good enough. I wasn't beautiful enough. I just wasn't the person that everybody wanted. Down. And so for me, every time I got on TV, which was it was a healing place for me, because every time I saw the cameras, it gave me that opportunity to work on myself and to build upon my confidence. And as much as I was trying to heal myself, I was trying to heal as many young people out there like me who probably didn't come from a broken home, but something broke them as they, you know, progressed in life. And so I wanted to use my life story to encourage people that no matter where you are, don't let where you started from determine where you're going. You can always be better. Always. And so every time I won that award, it was just a reassurance of the good work I was doing in terms of transforming lives. And so I never just saw it as a plaque where everybody was excited that I've won this award and it's great. But it was also a healing process for me.
You've still not told me how many there are.
I don't remember, honestly. I don't remember, but I have quite a few. Thanks to everybody who has awarded me in the past and to everyone who has supported me. I'm grateful.
Let's talk about Media General. What are you going to be doing here?
Who?
You said you were going to tell us. Tell us now.
Okay. So, but you should tell them. Are you not the one I'm going to be working with?
No, you said you were going to tell us. So tell us now.
Yeah, Media General has hired me to join Johnny Hughes, you know, to just...
Mr. Hughes, please.
Mr. Johnny Hughes,
Thank
sorry.
you very much. Thank you.
You know, to just give him fans in the morning. So when he's talking, I'll just be on the side, you know, encouraging
She's telling
him.
lies. Don't mind her.
But yes, I'm joining Mr. Johnny Hughes on the new day.
Right.
We'll be on
that's good. Good
every
to have
morning.
Good to have you.
How do you manage to wake up this early?
Well, we'll ask Aisha to explain to you.
You've been doing this for... Yeah,
Aisha. She got the briefing, so you get
At what time do they do makeup?
You survive.
Oh my God.
You survive.
Okay.
You just spoke about survival.
I know, but...
encouraging, so you survive.
I didn't say waking up at dawn was also part of it.
So big one is fun, that
yes.
Bella is joining us on New Day, so lighten up the stage and the platform and to speak smart and you have something to look forward to every morning.
Definitely.
That's what we're bringing.
Definitely.
What else are we to?
There are lots of other things we're working on. I'm definitely going on 3FM as well.
Right.
A lot of people have been asking if I'm joining Giovanni on the drive. Let's see.
How do you cope